Here are the babies. It's one of the females. Oops. It's another one of the little females. Kitten. And another little female. Which means that the boy is in his litter box. Yes. They're all using the litter box successfully. And 3 of the 4 kittens are now eating solid food. The only one that's not eating solid food at this point is the little Blue Point female. The little Peanut, the little male back here, just started eating solid food yesterday. I changed the flavor, and apparently when I changed the flavor, it stimulated his appetite enough to try it. And then he decided he liked it. So they're eating Fancy Feast, Fish and Shrimp Feast, which has a navy blue stripe on the can, and Fancy Feast, Tuna and Mackerel Feast, which has sort of a light pastel pinkish purple stripe on the can. And it was the Tuna and Mackerel Feast that got the little Peanut eating yesterday. Yes, he's a good boy. He's a good boy, and we're a good girl. And they're all very social. They just love to be petted and paid attention to. I need to bring a plate of food back here because I haven't fed them yet today. But everybody's doing very, very well. You can see the other kitten. She's back there behind Mama. Hi, baby girl. I see your ears. They have the most expressive little faces, these kittens. Yes, we're playing. We're playing. Yes, I'm a good kitty. I'm a good kitty. I'm a good little kitty. Yes, I am. I'm a good little kitty. I'm a good little kitty. I'm a little kitty too. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. It's a good boy. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. And you're cute too. You're cute too. Okay, we're going to say goodbye because I have to get their food ready for them. And then they make a big mess. Yes. They're messy eaters right now. Say, we're messy eaters right now, but we can't help it because we're just little kittens. Okay, be a good girl. You can see how they climb. They climb everything. They get up in the hammock now and sit with Mom up in the hammock. I'm getting ready to move them into the kitten room when my older litter leaves. That litter will be leaving on May 20th. So as soon as that litter goes, I'll transfer these guys over to the kitten room where they'll spend their remaining time with me. In the kitten room? Yes. Are we trying to be an opportunist and nurse on Mom while Mom is eating? Poor Mom is standing at the food dish, and the kitten's trying to nurse. Hi, baby girl. Hello, pretty kitty. They are really cute kittens, though. They're very pretty.